Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a resume on LinkedIn. First of all, and of course, you'll need a LinkedIn application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then, all you need to do is just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's get straight to it. So let me just launch LinkedIn first. And if you want to upload your let me just click on X because I'm not interested, of course. So as you said, if you want to upload a resume, of course, first of all, you will be interested in a job. So just go search for a job, then click tab on a job title to view details. So let me just go here and click at these jobs. And as you can see here, maybe recommended for you. So let me just, okay, not save. Of course, I would like to click on this job. So here, as you can see, if I scroll down, I'll find maybe the details of the job, and here find another jobs, of course. So all I need to do is just tap at the apply button of the job. Of course, you would like to share your account if you want to be accepted on this job, but for me, I'll just click no thanks. So here, as you can see, they will take you into their websites. Of course, you'll need to read all of this if you are really interested on the job. And here, all you need to do, just fill this required fields: name, email, writing samples. And here, as you can see, we have the resume/CV, which is optional, but it's not already optional. It's not always optional because some jobs it's requirement to upload your CV or/resume. If you want to do that, just go and click here at choose file and go to your files, then upload your resume. Maybe you'll find it here. You have it on your phone already. So for me, I'm just going back. Then all you need to do, maybe upload as well your cover letter. Then how did you hear about this? And submit your application. For me, I'm just going back because I just showed you. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.